Hi guys, you're welcome to learn more about HiBirds, and it is my pleasure to announce our new smart bird feeder. Please have a look at this beautiful house. The first thing is this lovely chimney on the top. So the food goes in here and it comes through here into the food compartment. There is also on the back side the water compartment. And the main thing is the hummingbirds eating area. It is my pleasure to introduce the high resolution camera, which is waterproof, which can be easily removed and put back. 120-degree angle. It also comes with a smart AI, which can recognize more than 10,000 different bird species. Also on the top, you can see there is a solar panel. Let me show you, we have 3 different ways to install the house. It also comes with app, so after the bird is recognized, it will send notification to your mobile phone so that later on you can check all the details on Wikipedia. Model number 1 comes in 2 different colors, the blue one and the beige one. Model number 2 and number 3 are coming up soon. It was my pleasure. I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's watch the birds together and walk into the nature. Thank you very much and goodbye.
Please configure your Wi-Fi settings.
Please scan the QR code on the machine bot. Please select a Wi-Fi network. Show the QR code to the device camera.
Please connect to your router. Please wait while you're connected to the cloud server. Device added successfully.